Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix story music option not available in your Facebook app. For example, if you open your Facebook app and you see that there is no option of music option available in your stories section. For example, if you click on here plus button and if you click on story, and as you can see there is an option available related to music, but you do not find any kind of option here, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the profile section here. After that, you have to click on help and support, and here you have to click on report problem, and here you have to click on again report a problem. After that, Facebook app will create a report that any kind of issues related to your Facebook app, it will automatically adjust, and here you have to simply search for the problem you are having in the section. As you are having the problem in your stories, so you have to select that, and after that here you have to simply describe the issue. As I have already described my issue and written it, so here it is written: in my Facebook app story music option is not available. Kindly help me in this regard as soon as possible. And after that, what you have to do, you can also provide a screenshot of the problem you are having, and here you can simply click on send and your report will be submitted to this Facebook team, and after that they will help you as soon as possible, and your music option will be available in within few hours. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.